Check nut condition. Connect negative terminal first. Route positive wire through battery cover. Pass OBD wire out through the cover. Install the battery box cover. Install and tighten battery cover with a Phillips screwdriver. Mount OBD port onto the cover. Install mid-rear side panels. Remove bolts. Snap in clips front to back. Then retighten bolts. Unscrew and remove battery cover. Pull out OBD connector. Unscrew and remove the positive and negative bolts. Then take out the battery. Remove the dipstick. The drain bolt is located as shown in the image. Unscrew the drain bolt and let the oil drain completely. Clean the dipstick and the drain bolt. The bolt is magnetic. Once drained, reinstall the drain bolt. Torque to 25 to 28 Nm. Mark it for inspection reference. Pour in 950 ml of new engine oil, SAE 10W40. Reinsert the dipstick and check the oil level. Make sure the oil level is within the normal range. Start the engine and inspect the drain bolt area for any leaks. On the ODO total mileage screen, long press the instrument button to enter clock setting mode. The hour will flash. Tap the button to adjust. Long press again to switch to minute setting. Adjust minutes as needed. Long press to confirm and exit. Time setting complete. Tire pressure warning display on the dashboard. Tap the ignition lock, the rear light ring lights up, and the moto unlocks. Turn the ignition switch clockwise to power on the motorcycle. The EFI system switch is here. With the bike unlocked, turn the handlebars fully left or right, press the ignition lock, and rotate counterclockwise. With the bike unlocked, press the ignition lock and turn it clockwise. When the bike is unlocked but not powered, long press the ignition lock to unlock the seat. Toolbox release button is located under the right side of the seat. Fuel tank cap can be opened without a key. Press and hold the anti-touch key for a long time to unlock the seat. Take out the mechanical key. Watch out for the spring inside. Remove the coin cell battery and replace it with a new one. Replace it with a new one. Make sure the indicator light is in the correct position. Battery replacement complete. When using the center stand, be cautious if the front wheel is not installed. The bike may tip forward due to rear weight. Install the long spacer on the non-disc side and the short spacer on the disc side. Brake disc should be on the right side of the bike. Align the caliper position properly. Insert the front axle from right to left. Install the axle nut. Tighten the axle bolt to 70-80 Nm torque. Mark the bolt position for future maintenance reference.